Sanjay Prajapati. Today again I am coming with a new topic, which is follow a routine. Right? Follow a routine. It sounds very interesting and easy as a lecture when we give to others, but when time comes to introduce in ourselves, nobody is ready to do this because of lots of reasons like laziness, lack of time, lack of confidence, knowledge, etc. You know, the role of discipline is very important in ourselves, right? By discipline we can achieve any goal over. It may be long term or it may be short term, right? And discipline only come by a follow a routine. Like suppose we decided to do some work or activity, and we do it constantly on a daily basis, and so then after, therefore it will become our habit, right? And also a routine, and we will become a master in this particular things, in particular activity, in this work. And then after becoming a master, then success is ours. Nobody stop you for getting a success, right? So let's understand it by our example. Suppose we decided to go in a gym, and we go on a daily basis, so it will become our habit and also a routine. And by this activity we will become a more strong, more energetic, more confident, and also looking handsome. And by this activity we will become a more healthy, and by this healthier body we can focus more and more, what more and more on our daily work. So it will help us to get success, and then success is yours, right? So in the same way, if we want to speak English fluently, we must be practicing. What we must be practicing, we have to make a habit, make a routine of daily to speak English. And then after following this routine, nobody stop you, nobody can stop you from become a good speaker. And you will be must, you will be become a good speaker by following this routine. So there is lots of instances of following routine, right? So now what we need to do this is, today take affirmation, take decision that I will be about following a routine, right? So go to the comment box, going to the comment box and write down that I will follow my routine. I will follow my routine. Then after, come back after a month and write down, I mean, again comment that yes, yes, I am following my routine. What? Yes, I am following my routine. Nice. This activity will very help you to to follow your routine. Like it determines what, it determines your commitment power, that how can you hold on your commitment, right? So thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you like this, please press the like button, and please do not subscribe, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you friend for watching this. Keep sharing, keep learning, and keep smiling. Thank you.